Hi and good day everyone. Before we jump into our innovation, let's introduce our team. We are from IKTBN Bukit Mertajam and we love finding smart and practical solutions to everyday problems. I am technologist Hafiza binti Talib, the team lead. I help keep things on track and making sure our ideas are realistic and impactful. And this is technologist Hashim bin Ahmad. He our go-to guy for hardware and solar tech. And this one is Puan Nur Hayati binti Abu Bakar handles ultrasonic and sensor system, making sure our solution is smart and safe. And last but not least, Encik Roha Zaidi bin Muhammad Lipiah. He take care of field testing and making sure it's all work in real life.
In many parts of Malaysia, especially in urban areas, markets, rooftops of government buildings, and even transport hubs, pigeons have become a growing nuisance. From health risks due to droppings, to property damage and unpleasant smells, these birds are costing us time, money, and cleanliness. Traditional methods like nets, spikes, and chemical repellents often fall short, either they're too expensive, hard to maintain, or simply not effective in the long run. That's why we're introducing Bird Blinker, a smart, eco-friendly visual deterrent system that uses flashing lights and reflective movement to safely discourage pigeons from roosting or gathering. It's designed with Malaysia's hot, humid climate in mind, making it suitable for long-term use on rooftops, signage, farms, and more. Let's explore how Bird Blinker can be a game changer for public spaces, businesses, and communities across Malaysia. Why bird blinker matters. Pigeons have become more than just a nuisance, they're a real problem in many Malaysian communities. From dirty rooftops and stained buildings to clogged gutters and unhygienic public spaces, their presence causes health concerns, safety risks, and costly maintenance. That's why we created Bird Blinker, a smart, eco-friendly solution that uses solar power, blinking lights, and ultrasonic sound to gently drive pigeons away without harming them or the environment. It's important because it offers something that's been missing: a low-maintenance system safe for humans and animals, sustainable and powered by the sun, designed for real Malaysian conditions. Bird Blinker is not just another bird repellent, it's a step toward cleaner, safer, and smarter communities.
Why our team should be the next generation innovator? We believe our team from IKTBN Bukit Mertajam deserve to be the next generation of innovators because we don't just create ideas, we solve problems with practical, sustainable solutions. With BirdLinker, we combine simple technology, light, sound, and solar power into a smart, eco-friendly system that addresses a common but often overlooked issue: pigeon disturbance in public spaces. What makes us different is our hands-on experience, technical skills, and strong commitment to innovation that works in real world, not just on paper. We test, refine, and design this product with nature's environment, users, and needs in mind. We are not just building devices, we are building solutions that protect public health, reduce maintenance costs, and support cleaner, safer space for all. We are ready to lead the way forward with innovation that's smart, simple, and truly sustainable. Thank you.